Failure, it's uncomfortable, embarrassing, and sometimes costly. But guess what? The most successful people don't fear it. They embrace it. But how do they do it? What if you were only 10 failures away from succeeding? Imagine how fast you would want to fail. So, let's break it down. Fail to learn. Think about it. Every time you fail at something, you'll learn what not to do. It's like getting a cheat code for life. Instead of seeing failure as a dead end, smart leaders see it as a shortcut to success. Take Thomas Edison for example. He failed over 10,000 times before inventing the light bulb. 10,000 times. When asked about it, he didn't say, "Wow, I'm a failure." Nope, he said, "I've just found 10,000 ways that it won't work." That's the mindset that turns failure into stepping stones. So, how do great leaders actually use failure to their advantage? Let's dive in. Step 1. Normalize failure. First things first, failure is inevitable. No one, and I mean no one, succeeds without failing along the way. So instead of fearing it, leaders train themselves to see failure as the part of the learning process. Imagine trying to learn how to ride a bike. You fall once, twice, maybe 10 times. But does that mean you should give up? No way. You get back up, adjust, and keep going. That's exactly how leaders view failure in business and in life. Step 2. Analyze mistakes. Okay, so you failed. Now what? Smart leaders don't just move on blindly. They dig deep to figure out why things went south. They separate what was in their control from what wasn't. For example, let's say a new business launches a product, but no one buys it. A weak leader would panic and shut down. But a great leader would analyze the situation. Was it priced too high? Was the marketing weak? Did they target the wrong audience? Instead of blaming luck, they find patterns, adjust, and come back stronger. Step 3. Fix and retry. Here's the thing. Failure is useless unless you actually learn from it. Smart leaders don't just acknowledge mistakes, they fix them. If a bad business decision cost them money, they tweak their strategy. If a risky idea didn't work, they tested a different version. They turn every failure into a lesson and every lesson into a comeback. Step 4. Talk about failures. Now, this one might sound crazy, but the best leaders actually talk about their failures. Instead of hiding mistakes, they share them. Why? When teams see that even their leaders mess up, they feel safe taking risks too. And that's huge. A workplace where people feel free to experiment, make mistakes, and learn, that's where real innovation happens. Step 5. Encourage smart risks. The final secret. Smart leaders encourage risk-taking. They reward effort, not just success. They support employees when things don't go as planned. Take Google for example. Have you heard of Google Glass? It was a total flop, but instead of shutting down innovation, Google kept experimenting and later created Google Assistant, which was a huge success. So the point is to learn from failure and keep moving forward. At the end of the day, failure is not the opposite of success. It's part of the journey. So, what's the biggest lesson you've learned from failure? Drop it in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like it and also subscribe to my channel for more videos on self-improvement. Let's continue to grow together.